How to make Halwa Puri. Halwa Puri is a dish traditionally eaten for breakfast in South Asia. Learn how to cook it and then learn etiquette for eating it as well. Ingredients for the halwa: 1 cup semolina, 1½ cup sugar, 3 cups water, 2 cloves, a few drops kevda essence, a pinch of yellow food coloring, handful of sultanas and almonds, pinch of cardamom, 1/2 cup of ghee or canola oil. For the chane, 1/2 kg chickpeas boiled, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1/2 cup fried onions, color should be golden brown, 5 to 6 chopped medium tomatoes, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili peppers, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 cup tamarind pulp, 1/2 cup canola oil or olive oil. For the puri, 1/2 kg all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, 1 cup yogurt, ghee or canola oil. Making for the halwa: heat oil for 2 to 3 minutes in a wok, then add cardamom and cloves. Add semolina and stir until fragrant. In another pan, stir sugar with water and add food color. Bring to a boil and add the syrup to the semolina. Under low heat, stir well, cover the wok and cook until the water evaporates. Add kevda essence, then sprinkle sultanas and almonds in. Done. Making for the chane: heat oil for 2 to 3 minutes in a pot, then saute ginger garlic paste. Add cumin seeds and remaining dry spices in the pot. Sprinkle water in and stir well for a few minutes. Add onion and tomatoes and stir until tomatoes are tender. Add chickpeas, stir once, then add 2 cups of water, tamarind and sugar. Simmer on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Mix salt and black pepper, then remove pot from the stove. Now serve. Making for the puri: sift flour, then salt, yogurt and 4 tablespoons ghee. Knead into a soft dough using some water. Wrap the dough in a damp muslin cloth and store in a warm place for 2 to 3 hours. Make 10 to 12 portions of the dough and roll it out. Heat ghee in a frying pan and fry puris until they are golden. Finished. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and share.